grounded. Let me tell you what this little guy does. This little guy will fight at the gym. Him and Hiram will fight, wrestle to the point where Daddy got kicked out last time he went to the gym. Lady was acting crazy. Today's vlog day! The last donut.
Eat your fifth donut.
Say, it's vlog day. Daddy, what day is it?
Day of work.
No, what day is it?
Working day. Monday.
Tell us about today's a holiday and tell us what holiday it is. And it's the only holiday they do in Rhode Island. Gosh, man. Look at Schmeagle over here. Schmeagle. Is that what his name is?
Yeah.
He's obsessed with donuts.
Schmeagle. He's had more donuts than any of the other kids.
No.
You got
Schmeagle.
You got that donut too.
My precious. That guy over there, stuffing his face. Okay, Daddy, tell us about the holiday that only Rhode Island has.
I don't know what the holiday is.
Why don't you know? We're roadies.
No, we're not. Durham.
There we are. Stop teasing him.
Durham. Hey, Durham. Durham. Look at me. Oh, I got this donut.
Oh, look how you look whenever he says donut. Oh my goodness. Okay, everyone's gonna see that you're being crazy. Embarrassing.
Your backwards underwear.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm about to more than freaking wrestle you.
Daddy, what are we gonna do today? We're going to go to the zoo?
I'm gonna bite your ears.
Dad, let's go to the zoo.
Nibble on your nose. No.
Because
if it is in fact a holiday,
it is.
I don't want to be at the zoo on a holiday.
We had friends over yesterday, and he's a dentist. He says the dentist office is closed because it's a holiday. So yes, it's a holiday, baby. Doctors don't close their offices for no reason.
We're not going to the zoo.
Yeah, we are. Say, all done. You got nothing but donut on your face. You and nothing but donut. Look at that bruise that's healing. You. Today.
Oh my gosh.
Wrestled mommy today. You wrestled Durham today. Oh my gosh, look at how I look. Look fatsies. Don't worry, we're gonna change that because I'm gonna start a workout tomorrow, right babe?
Mm-hmm.
What's it called again? Pure Bar.
Mm-hmm. You don't want to talk, you just want to blog. Get off.
Okay, it's not what? Okay, guys.
Vlog,
how
whatever.
many times does he say blog? Is it blog?
Oh my gosh, get off.
What is it?
Get off.
What is it? Vlog.
Get off.
Say vlog. Okay, Dad. Let's decide what we're gonna do today.
No, I don't want to do that on the stupid vlog.
Don't say stupid, or else no one's gonna like it.
No one's gonna like it.
Just act normal. Guys, let's teach him how to vlog. So we're supposed to go out throughout our day so that people can see into our life and you just have to pretend like the camera's not there. I'm going to point the camera and you just have to talk to me normal like as if it's not there. That's the vlog. Vlogging 101. All you have to do is talk normal to me.
Don't want to vlog.
He's good. Did you put cologne on?
No.
Let me kiss you.
No, I don't want to vlog.
Ew, sick. Being sweet, trying to nuzzle my cheek. Stop. Okay, you guys, husband needs encouragement. Leave encouragement below. Oh my gosh, stop.
Just go. Go, grumpy pants.
Oh my gosh, they see your face now. They saw that. They saw that crazy face.
Go. Be gone, Durham. Alright, on 3, I'm gonna spank you. If you don't go. 1, 2, go! Alright, 3, watch out, Mom. I'm gonna spank him. You can go.
Spanking, spanking, spanking.
To go.
Okay, he seriously needs to put his underwear on correctly because half his cheeky's hanging out. Tickle him, tickle him, tickle him.
I'm not even touching you.
No, he comes marching in again. Can't tell me. Come here. Guy needs a pink iPad. Tell us, what do you want to do today?
Can't watch Ninja Turtles.
Can't watch Ninja Turtles, you're grounded. Let me tell you what this little guy does. This little guy will fight at the gym. Him and Hiram will fight, wrestle to the point where Daddy got kicked out last time he went to the gym. You should take in the vlog camera to show that lady. Lady was acting crazy. She said there's something wrong with our kids apparently. Our kids are crazy. What do we teach our kids? What else did she say?
That's pretty much all she said.
And the reason why I think, and so this is why they're grounded from Ninja Turtles, because they're always playing Ninja Turtles. You're grounded from Ninja Turtles, yeah, because you act like a turtle. Why are you naked right now?
I need Ninja Turtle.
Because you're pretending to be a Ninja Turtle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it. He'll take his clothes off because Ninja Turtles don't have clothes. And he'll run around sorting people and punching and kicking.
No, Ninja Turtle kick.
Yeah, so is that why you kick?
No, I want Ninja
Which Ninja Turtle are you?
Look, mine is the green Ninja Turtle.
They're all green.
My green Ninja Turtle.
They're all green. What color are you? What color is their face mask?
Your phone.
No, I'm not giving you my phone. You're not watching Ninja Turtle.
No, I need big green robots.
Oh, now robots?
Yeah.
Which Ninja Turtle is your favorite? Because they're all green. Do you like Ralph? The red one? That's my favorite.
No, I want to watch green robots.
Green robots? The
Yeah.
Transformers?
Yeah. No.
Another reason. Another thing he's grounded from. You're grounded from all violence.
I want a robot. Give me a phone because you're a robot.
I can only watch My Little Pony.
Robot.
That's Dad's favorite.
That's
I'm
right.
a robot. I'm a robot.
I can't use my phone.
I want to use your phone.
My Little Pony, My Little Pony. The pony
I
because
want to watch your phone.
Well, do big boys run around in their underwear? Or do they have clothes on?
These.
They run around in underwear? I think big boys are supposed to have clothes on. Just Okay, this is the problem. See, this is the real problem. Daddy wrestles, and these kids act crazy. Really? You're not gonna get candy, dude. He's trying to push. Do you see Kai trying to push you down?
You jumped on a toy? That's why I say no toy. Look, you jumped on a toy.
Oh, the Ninja Turtle. Oh, I'm sorry. Kai, what are you doing?
Money, Bunny.
Dude, you have a major future. Oh, go get Dad. Get Daddy. Get him, Kai.